Hello everyone, here it's me, Chanel, and today I have some DIY wall art. What I'm going to do is take these 4 frames that I purchased after Christmas sale for 75% off. A great way to find some shadow boxes such as this and use them for the artwork that I'm going to produce. As you can see, it's cute on its own, but Christmas is over and this would probably never be my colors. But anyway, I'm going to use the shadow box that it came in. What I'm going to do is use an X-Acto knife, and we're just going to move all of the inners of the actual frame. Get ready to place our DIY artwork inside. And this is a very cost-effective way to get you some wall art when you can't find exactly what you want in the store, which is me the majority of the time. I can't find, or rather I don't find exactly what I have in my head, so I often will just create it. I'm going to use this removing tacks, like if you're doing upholstery work, but I'm going to remove the staples with it. Pull each one out, and do be careful because they can be a little sharp. And once we have removed all the staples, then we're going to pull up the inside of the shadow box, which is the actual artwork that was in there. And we're going to remove all of the cute little decorations that you see here. That's where the yardsticks comes in handy. To make our line, it doesn't have to be straight, but we just want to cut because we don't want to cut around the raised portion of the board that is already there. Move all of the little houses and continue to just go around the frame if you have something like this. And this entire project cost me only, what was it, $48 for 4 frames. Oh, and this is just the area I'm going to stage them up. They probably won't be staying in this particular area. When you have removed all of the inners, and these are the rocks. Remember, I showed you a few videos ago. I did have a purpose for them in mind when I purchased the rocks. What I'm showing you here is the actual inside of the frame and the rocks, because I had to go through the bottle of rocks and find the ones that were the correct height or the correct depth that would fit inside of the entire shadow box without butting up against the glass in the shadow box. And I found several of them, and that's what I have in the box that I'm showing you. Take our whiteboard and cut it to size because we're going to use this to cover the blue that was in the background. It doesn't have to be exact because you won't see all around the perimeter of the shadow box on the inside once it is covered. And here we go with the mat that is going to go on top. And so what we're going to do is take our glue gun, and then you're going to just spread some around the perimeter of the inside of the box. Place your paper down, and this is where those clean hands definitely come in handy. No lotions or oils or anything to transfer to your nice clean white inners of your framing. And then I'll just find the actual middle portion and then put it all together. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have some time on your hands and you want to create you some cost-effective artwork for your walls that is customized for your colors of your room like I have here, you can try something like this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one.